Good morning, everybody. My name is Kash, and I work for Rick Case. I sell Hyundais and Genesis on the new side and pretty much everything under the sun on the pre-owned side. Today, we're taking a quick look at the 2023 Elantra SE Hybrid. This is what the vehicle looks like. You have a solid black grille on the front, and you have these nice blacked out, kind of metallic-y looking wheels on the vehicle. As always with the hybrids, they have this nice little moniker badge on the back that says hybrid. And this is the blue trim level on the car. So this is where it starts. Let's take a quick look at it onto the driver's side here. The car comes really nicely equipped. You do have a manual seat on the car. And you'll have all your safety options standard. So your forward collision, camera array, it kind of sits up here for you. You'll have your blind spot detection on the left-hand side, right-hand side, rear cross traffic on the vehicle as well. And then you have your lane keep assist option right here as well for you. Automatic headlights on the vehicle. Makes easy driving conditions and everything. You have dual climate control as well in the car, passenger and driver, and multi-stage heated seats. USB charger in the bottom there, and a backup camera standard on the car for you. Up front, you'll have the 8-inch touchscreen display, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Again, if you have any questions on these vehicles or would like to stop by, take a look at one with me, my direct cell phone number is 603-858-4511. That number again, 603-858-4511. My name is Kash, and I work for Rick Case. Take care, guys. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.